it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this jazzed up spring hairstyle. I think it's so cute and a bit different for me for sure. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair as I always do when I start my hairstyles, and I'm going to part my hair. Instead of fours, I'm going to have 3 sections. So I'm going to have 2 sections in the front and 1 big section in the back, which I'm going to twist, but instead of a straight part going straight back in the front, I'm doing a zigzag part. And I'm making sure that my parts are nice and clean because I don't want any hair snagging in between the parts. Also because the part is going to show most likely in this hairstyle. Now that I have my 3 sections, I'm going to start the styling process. First, by misting a good amount of water down the length of my hair. Yes, water is a moisturizer alone. It's very lightweight. That's why I'm always layering my products on after I apply water. Also, I just find that products apply a lot smoother, more evenly, and it's just overall better for my hair when I have water applied first. And I'm going to mist the water and work it down the length of my hair very well. And for my first product, I'm going to apply the Uncle Funky's Daughter Thirsty Curls. I really love this. This is a leave-in revitalizer. I like using it as a leave-in conditioner because it does help to nourish and condition my hair, which leave-ins do. Also, I really love the slip of this. It just applies very well in my hair. I noticed that my hair is very receptive to this, and it's going to help with the overall longevity of my styles, which I love. So I'm just making sure to work this in my hair in each section very well because I'm only applying 2 products to my hair for the styling process. And you could see how well this is just gliding right through my hair. Also, my curls are clumping together, which is a great sign that moisture has been added, which is why I love applying the Thirsty Curls to my hair first. Now, going back to this first section, I'm going to twist all of it because once the twist dry and I unravel it, I'm gonna have some beautiful twist out curls. I'm making about 1.5 inches subsection in this back section for the first row of twist. I am going to apply 2 pumps of the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. This is amazing. It really helps to clump my curls. It gives me that moisture I need. Also, it helps with curl definition and longevity of my styles. I love using this whether I'm doing a wash and go, a braid out, a twist out, because it gives me the holds I need, and also my hair is so moisturized. So I divided the subsection in half, and I'm going to do 2 twists for this first section in the back. I'm making sure that my twists are nice and snug, and I'm going to twist my hair all the way down till I can't anymore, and I'm going to twirl the ends with my fingers so that the twist stays nice and secure, and I'm going to continue for this whole back section. After I twisted the whole back section, I'm going to move into the front where I'm going to give myself 2 little antlers, and I'm also going to gather each section of hair into an elastic and create 2 twists in each elastic. So right now, I'm just making sure that the part in the front is nice and even and clean. Then I'm going to give myself those 2 antlers, and now I'm going to smooth my hair with some more of the Curly Magic. I'm telling you, this is amazing for every style, and now I'm just going to use it to sleek my roots back. So it's great for that hold, and also sleeking the hair for styles. It gives great definition. So this is why I love using it, because it's very versatile. And I'm smoothing my hair into the elastic with a brush just so that my hair, it does lay smooth. And just to make sure that I emphasize the antlers, I am twisting it at the root. So I'm just gonna go about 10 rotations down and then just twirl the rest of my hair. So I have like curly antlers, if that makes sense. I think that this is just gonna be nice for me for the style that I'm looking for. And I created 2 twists from the elastic. And that was the last twist, and here's how my hair looks as I'm going to let my hair set overnight. Fast forward to the next day, my hair is completely dry. Make sure when you do these types of styles that your hair is 100% dry. I'll say about 95 to 100% to avoid puffy roots, frizzy hair, or just an unsuccessful hairstyle at that. So here's how the back of my hair looks once my twists are completely dry. And now I'm going to unravel the twist. I do put majority of the twist up because as I'm unraveling each twist, I am going to gently separate the curls so I have some more volume. And I'm gonna continue this process. Before, I used to unravel all the twists and then go back to separate, but I find that it just makes more sense for me to unravel the twist and also separate, so I make sure that each twist has indeed been separated, so I have lots of volume. And here's how the back of my hair looks after I've unraveled all the twists. Now to the front, I am going to apply a little bit more of the curly magic to my roots and then brush it back. I want to make sure that my hair in the front is sleek for this style. And I secured both twists with an elastic, and then I take the 2 twists and twirl it around each other just like a 2-strand twist and secure it around almost like a Bantu knot. I applied a little more curly magic to my curly antlers and redid them just so that they look fresh because my hair is sleek in the front and I just want everything to look nice and cohesive. This whole look is definitely a vibe. I did style my edges as well. And this is the finished look. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I hope that you did as well. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Also, thank you so much to Uncle Funky's daughter for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.